How to create a group in Adobe Photoshop. Grouping elements in Photoshop helps with better arrangement of layers, making it easy to identify what each layer is for. With your layers created in Photoshop, highlight the layer by holding Ctrl down. Then click each of them, or hold down Shift, and click the first and last layer to select all. Once selected, drag them down to the folder icon and release. This automatically creates a folder for the layers and can be repeated as many times as possible. The shortcut to create a group is Ctrl+G.